Hello guys, good day. Like I promised, I will do a tutorial today on how I map out my price levels, my zones, and my support and resistance. Um, let's start right away, guys. We're looking to catch the GPY on the 4-hour time frame. Most of the time, I started from the daily. Now we're on the daily time frame, and on the daily, I map out my support and resistance. You can do this on the 4-hour as well. Uh, 4-hour and daily, it's almost the same. So let's check the 4-hour time frame. And now I'm looking for more rejection levels, more touches to map out my support and resistance levels. Okay. So where can I put my resistance level? My resistance level, I draw it right here. Okay. Because I see a lot of touches in this level. So this is a valid resistance level. Okay. This is a valid resistance level. And I draw it on the bodies, not on the wicks. Okay, the bodies are the price close. Okay, this is where the price have closed in the past. So now I know my resistance level. Okay, let's draw the support level. The support level is right here. Okay, we have touched this level a couple of times. Okay, so now I know my support and resistance for cat GPY on the 4-hour time frame. If you check out the daily time frame, guys, you can see that is almost the same. Okay, your resistance, your support. Makes sense, right? Okay, guys. From here, I stay on the 4-hour or the 1-hour, and I want to draw my major levels from this point. Okay, from this point, my major levels. Everything above the 1-hour time frame is major for me. Okay, everything below the 1-hour time frame is minor for me. As simple as that. Keep it very simplistic for yourself, guys. It's very important. Okay, don't make it too hard because sometimes I get messages from social media. People do not know how to draw zones. People do not know how to map out support and resistance. I get a lot of messages. What indicators do you use? The only indicators that I use as confidence is the 200 EMA, the 14 EMA, and the 15 EMA. And my trading is not based from it, okay? This is what you have to understand, guys. Let's continue to map out the zones, okay? This is all price action, guys. This is all clean price action, pure price action. 4-hour time frame. I map out my zones from this time frame. From this point, I'm looking for one rejection, two rejection. It's fine. You can look to the left. You have to look to the left to read the history, to read the price action. So if I read the price action on this point, I see a heavy rejection level right here. Okay, rejection. And if you draw it even more to the left, you will find out that we tap this price level a lot of times. Okay, makes sense, right? So this is a valid major level for me, guys. Okay, makes sense. Now I'm looking for a second level. I see directly that price have tapped this level right here. So I draw this price zone right here. And you can see that we tap this level right here, and right here. It's a valid price level. Price had a hard time to break or um, to reject, okay? This is what I see, guys. So my third price level, not that hard, the 200 EMA. We call that the dynamic support if it is below, and the dynamic resistance if it is above. In this point, it's below, so it's a dynamic support. You can see it was a support level right here, almost a support level right here, and a support level right here, guys. Not that high. Check it out. Now we have our third price level, okay? Our third price level. Okay, we see that we have a lot of rejection on this level, guys. We have break this level, and it was a retest. That price retrace a bit, So let's see if we can break this major level right here. And if we break this major level, we want to know where price can go. Okay, as simple as that, guys. And if I look to that level, I will draw a zone right here. Why? Because we reject this level before. But in the middle, I see another level right here. Okay, keep it clean, guys. Keep it clean for your eyes. You can use fresh zones, but you also can use old zones. And if we will continue the trip, if we will fall to the downside and we create that momentum to the downside, I see more levels, of course. But keep the chart clean, okay? Keep the chart clean for yourself. This is enough information to see where we can go, okay? And I will map out another support level because, check it out, this level. Do you see how this price level respected, guys? So we have a support level right here, okay? And we have major zones, major zones. And we have a support level right here, okay? So this is how you map out your chart, guys, okay? This was the catch GPY. I will show another pair, of course. We're gonna do USD SAR, for example. I have it open right here, USD SAR. I already mapped it out. Check it out, guys. Very simplistic, very easy. Support resistant levels, price zone with more touches or fresh price zones. That's it. Okay? That's it, guys. So let's open a new chart and give another few examples. Let's do a GPI, for example. Okay. Euro GPI, guys. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. What do we see? Let's check the daily time frame. So on the daily, I see a price level right here. Okay, I see a price level right here. And we have a price level out here up front. Okay, daily levels, strong levels. Check the 4-hour time frame. Zoom it a bit out, guys. I see a price level right here. Makes sense, right? So more than likely, if price is gonna fall down, we will react on this level. Okay, so that is the idea behind price zones. I see a price level right here. And I see a price level right here, guys. Keep it simple. Looking for rejection levels, more rejection areas where price react and reject or break. Okay, I'm a breakout trader. I'm a Forex Scalper. I scalp. I'm not a swing trader. So this is what I see on Euro GPI. Let's check the daily. If we map out our resistance level right here and our support level right here, okay? Because I want to know the range, and this is why I create this two lines to see if I gonna entry, I entry on the 15 or 5 minute. I want to see where I are in the market, and right now I know my resistance is here up front, and my support is here below. So if we fall down, for example, I know the price will react on this line. Okay, so if most of the time, if we tap a level like this, a daily support, price will heavily react on it. So we can keep that in mind. Okay, so this is why I created it. We can do another pair, guys. Let's do OutGPY, for example. OutGPY, not a pair what I trade, but let's map it out. Let's map it out. 4 hour, 1 hour. So on this pair, I see that we have heavy momentum to the downside and that price is range now for a while. So what do I see? I see a support level right here and I see a resistance level right here. Okay, price is range. Okay, so after the big downfall, price range. Okay, so and where do we place our zones in this area? We're on the 4-hour time frame right now. We have a price level right here. If you draw it more to the left, you can see it. We have react on this level before. So this is what you have to keep in mind, guys. I will draw a price level right here. And yes, we pin to this point, but price close in this level. So this is why I place the zone like this, okay? More touches in this zone, guys. Of course, you will ask me then, with Kev, the Forex Scalper, why you place the zone not as big like this. Because in the first place, it's ugly, it's too big, and it doesn't make any sense for me, okay? Because we have more rejections right here. What is more information to me, okay? You can count the candles, how much information it is. 1 hour candle is 4 hours of information, guys. Imagine, okay? So price pins in it, but the price close in this zone. So this zone is valid for me, okay? So if price will bounce back, what do I expect? If we break and we close at least on the 5 or 15 minutes above, and we have that momentum from a higher time frame, price will continue drift to the upside. So I will not be scary on this level, okay, guys? On the up front, I see another level. I see an important price level right here. Again, price could not close, so this is why I use this wick and price close in this level, okay, guys? Below, we see a few other price levels. We see a price level right here. We see a price level right here. And we have a nice price level right here. And we talk about big ranges. This range to this range is 60 pips. It's 60 pips. So between these ranges, you can easily take a few pips. If price close above and all conditions are there, all your confirmations are there from the high time frame, important. A scalper enter on the low time frame. So these are tips, advices. Do what you want. Backtest your stuff, of course. This range between this zone, you always have to check this on the 30 pips. This range to this zone is 20 pips. So if you decide to enter a trade, it is important to ask yourself, are we on a daily support and resistance level or 4-hour support and resistance level? Is there momentum in the market? Momentum is created by higher time frame. Are we at a support and resistance level? Is the range big enough? Am I in the right session? So that are the stuff, you know. And then you have to read price action. You have to read the candlesticks formations. So this is how I look to the market, and this is how I place my price zones. Okay, it looks very easy. You can watch this video back to check it out. You know, we did a few pairs, and I hope it helps you all, guys. So these are my price zones. I'm the Forex Scalper, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Check out my website, theforexscalper.com. This was the webinar, guys. Okay, have fun. I hope it helps, and enjoy your day, guys. Bye bye.